Ribbit, ribbit. Whoops, pardon me.
Leave me alone.
Stop, Feathers. I didn't mean to make you jump. Not that there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. It all runs in the family. Or jumps in the family, depending on which way you...
What do you want?
Want?
Well, go on. You might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There, I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, 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 wait a minute, Feathers. Do you mind if I hop off and hop back on again? I mean, have a word with yourself. Who am I to call you ugly? Look at me. There, see? I mean, connect the dots. If we're talking ugly, they don't come more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your trouble is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You got down in the mouth. I'm getting nothing here. Come on, give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that is downright antisocial. Hang on. I got a human in my throat. Oh, I know how you feel, but you mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly, and it's been downhill ever since. I just say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in frog's clothing. And one day someone's gonna come along and kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I tell myself, now I get billed. Who knows? Nog it wrong. Do you know what our trouble is?
No.
Our image is not in vogue. It's a question of taste. But you mark my words, one day ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport the season's look will fall upside on their ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there, someone's gonna love ya, someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you, though I may look a bit Jurassic. Trust me, I'm a classic in my fun. If this old frog can go wooing, time he had a wake-up call. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. Tell 'em, kids.
Somewhere out there, we don't know where, someone will care, gonna love ya, warts and all. Somewhere out there, we can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon you'll be roosting.
So it may take some time to find them. When you do, you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there in the muddy puddle, someone needs a cuddle, though the chance is small. It's true. Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with our mate. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do, you'll have a ball. Warts and all, warts I'll be singing feathers, and remember, one day it'll be us who are the flavor of the month. Whoops, what am I saying?
Goodbye. If you ever find yourself near the junkyard, do call in. I'd love for you to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. Stay warm, stay cheerful. Ribbit, ribbit.